Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the legendary White Bear Mound in Crimson Desert. Alright, the location of the White Bear is pretty much right here to the left of the Silver Wolf Mountain, which is just right over to the north of Pyloon as you can see right here. Now to get over to this location, you do have to climb some mountains until you get to this location right here where there's a symbol of the white bear that I've already slain. Now this is pretty much the view that you're going to find, and the white bear should be around this area. And thankfully I do have the footage of me fighting the white bear, and all you have to do is pretty much just fight the bear until you've killed it, not tire it out. This is an important detail. You have to kill it and then skin the white bear. You can't just tire it out and then ride it for you to get it. Now once you have done killing the polar bear, I would like to inform you beforehand that I believe the option for you to be able to craft the sigil for the white bear is that you have to have at least done chapter 5 and met one of the witches, the Witch of Wisdom, known as Elowin right here, and you should be able to find her over at Faction Quest, and then over to Hernan, and then Witches section. You should be able to find this side quest fighting the first boss of chapter 5. Now once you've beaten the polar bear and got the white bear claws, you should then go to this location right here on the map, right next to the Witch Woods. The location for this should just be right to the west of Herland Highlands or to the west of your camp at Howling Hill. Just go to this location right here and then you will be able to find the witch's house. Once you've done the missing seal and met the witch right here, Elwyn right in front of you, then you should be able to go to her workshop by pressing R and then go over to craft Abyss Gear. And then press C to get special items, and you should be able to find the Sigil of Solidarity for the white bear. Now you really only need the white bear claws as you can see, and then I'm gonna select it and then press R to make it. Alright, once you've done crafting the sigil of the white bear, go over to your inventory and highlight over it and then press space so you can use it. Once you've done using it, it should pop up right here to the top left that white bear is pretty much unlocked. If you want to summon it, press over F1 on your keyboard and then scroll wheel, and you can find the white bear right here. I'm just going to let go of F1 and it should summon the white bear somewhere around me as you can see right here. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the legendary white bear in Crimson Desert.